Hello everybody, here today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the front stabilizer bushing on a 2010 Honda Pilot. And let me show you the part number in here. I don't know you can see clearly or not. The part number is 51306-SZA-Z02. Okay, so let's get started, guys. So all we needed is it's number 14 millimeter bolt here, okay, one the front and one on the back side here. So let me spray W40 a little bit. This job is very simple, you know. You can change it at home or you can bring it to mechanic. It's up to you. If you get time, you can try at home. You can save some money. Okay, so. And after I change this one, I'm gonna show you how to replace the stabilizer link on the front too. But do the bushing first. When you try to lose it, don't forget to spray W40. We don't want any bolt strap or damage to it. Okay, just. On this car I change all around, you know, like front and rear stabilizer, bushing and link, but I'm gonna do it in a individual video. It's easy for you guys to follow it. Okay, one's out, so the inner one here. And after you remove the bolt, just remove the cap. Remove the caps out. Bracket. So, and after remove the bushings out, very simple. And note that before you remove it, you're gonna see the sign that said front and front. Okay, let me after remove it, I'll show you what it look like. Okay, it's out. See it, this one I don't know, you can see they said front, so this one you have to install it that way. Okay, you cannot do it opposite way, gonna be the wrong direction. See, say front. All right, so let me install the new one. Let me install the new one. Damn. tight. Okay, so it's in now. See, it's front. So let me put the bracket back in. And let me spray a W40 a little bit to make it loop. It's easy to get in. It's not a cap I called earlier. It's a cap. It's not. It's a bracket. Shit. In now. So it's time to. It's almost done, guys. It's very simple job. Very simple job. You can play it at home, but make sure safety first. You know, you do at home. You don't hurt lift. Just check the car. Put everything. Make sure the stand sharp. Everything to secure it. Before you start working on the car or something, always put safety first, because it's very dangerous. 1 minute it kills you, so be careful. The hardest one is remove the stabilizer link. The bolt is and nut is so hard to remove it. You will see it after this. I'm gonna do the link. But on the bushing, I just do only one side to show you guys, okay? Because like both sides they are the same procedure. Just remove the bolts and the bracket and replace the new bushing. It's so very similar, so I don't do both sides. Just show you one side and you can go from there. Almost done. It's the last bolt. Last bolt is If you guys want to torque, you can torque the bolt it to 35 foot-pound, okay? 35 to 38, it should be good to go. But for that bolt, for this point, no, I don't use a torque ring to torque it. It's not very important for that boulder, so make sure you tie it good. You good? Okay, so that's all. Okay, this is all how to remove and install the stabilizer bushing, okay guys. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and if you guys have any question, just let me know, and thank you.